Welcome back to Speak Up Podcast.
Hello, everyone. We are happy to have you here for part 2 of our daily English conversation practice series.
Today, we'll practice English conversations about hobbies, free time, interests, and weekend plans.
These are topics that people talk about all the time, so learning these conversations will help you speak naturally.
Remember to listen carefully
Repeat out loud.
and have fun. Mia, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to podcasts.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I like exercising and watching documentaries.
That's great.
Hobbies help us relax and learn new things.
I completely agree.
How often do you read books?
I try to read every day.
That's a wonderful habit. Repeat after us. I enjoy reading books.
I like exercising.
Hobbies help us relax.
I try to read every day.
Let's learn some useful words.
Repeat after us.
Hobby,
Hobby.
relax,
Relax.
interesting,
Interesting.
documentary.
Documentary. Excellent. Leo, do you enjoy watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy action and adventure movies.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I like comedy movies
Why do you like comedies?
because they make me laugh.
That's a good reason.
Everyone needs a good laugh sometimes.
Absolutely. Repeat. I love watching movies. I enjoy action movies. I like comedy movies. They make me laugh. Now it's your turn.
Answer the question aloud.
What is your favorite movie?
What type of movies do you enjoy?
Great job. Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music.
That's popular.
What about you?
I like different types of music.
Music can change our mood.
That's true.
It can make us feel happy, relaxed, or motivated.
Exactly. Repeat. I listen to music every day. What kind of music do you like? Music can change our mood. It makes me feel motivated.
Leo, how often do you practice English?
I practice English every day.
That's excellent.
Consistency is important.
I agree.
Even 15 minutes a day can help.
Yes, small daily efforts create big results.
What's your favorite way to learn English?
I enjoy listening to podcasts.
Great choice.
Podcasts help improve listening skills.
And speaking skills too. Repeat. I practice English every day. Consistency is important. Small daily efforts create big results. Podcasts help improve listening skills. Repeat after me. Consistency. Consistency. Practice. Practice. Improve. Improve. Confidence. Confidence. Excellent pronunciation. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to visit my family.
That sounds nice.
Then we're going to have dinner together.
Family time is important.
Definitely.
I'm planning to relax and read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
I'm looking forward to it. Repeat. Do you have any plans for the weekend? I'm going to visit my family. We're going to have dinner together. I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, Leo. Are you going to the gym today?
Yes, I am.
How often do you work out?
About 4 times a week.
That's impressive.
Exercise helps me stay healthy.
I need to exercise more.
Start small and stay consistent.
That's good advice.
Every little step counts. Repeat. I work out 4 times a week. Exercise helps me stay healthy. Start small and stay consistent. Every little step counts. Listen carefully.
Then answer the question.
What is Mia going to do this weekend?
The answer is... she's going to visit her family.
Great job if you got the answer right. Hi, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
That's interesting.
How about you?
I'm from Australia.
Have you been studying English for a long time?
Yes, I have.
That's wonderful. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I've been studying English for a long time. Repeat after me with confidence.
Speak loudly and clearly.
I can speak English every day.
I am improving my English.
I am becoming more confident.
I enjoy learning English.
Fantastic.
Answer these questions aloud.
What is your favorite hobby?
What kind of music do you like?
What are your plans for this weekend?
How often do you practice English?
Excellent work.
You've completed part 2 of our daily English conversation practice series.
Every conversation you practice brings you one step closer to fluency.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating
Keep speaking.
and keep improving.
Thanks for listening to Speak Up Podcast.
Join us in part 3, where we'll practice conversations about travel, restaurants, shopping, and everyday situations.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.